I'm just trying to take some footage here to help with this diagnosis problem with this noise that I think is backlash. The faster I'm going on deceleration, the louder the noise is, and as I slow down, the noise gets slower and quieter. So it's relative to the speed and the drive. There's absolutely no play on the pinion whatsoever here, both in and out. There's no play up and down. There's no play either. I've got both the wheels, front wheels off the ground, so that's taking any tension out of there. Minimal play that way. I think that's probably normal. And as you can see, when I move the wheels, there's small play there if you have a listen. That doesn't seem any louder than normal either. If I try holding that wheel still, there's nothing, no extra noise there. If I try to spin it fast, there's nothing there at all, no noise. So I'm at a bit of a loss there. I haven't taken the front cover off the diff yet. Hoping not to have to do that, but hopefully, I think that plate is just in that uni, but again, not excessive. So really not sure what else to look for, but any advice you've got would be fantastic. Hope this helps. Thank you.